What up fans, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play an original one by Dom Tupou. This song was requested by Tupou, so shout out to you. Hope you enjoy it, and if you have any other requests guys, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you're going to place your index finger. You're going to cover all the strings on the 5th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to cover all these strings. And then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 7th fret on the 5th string. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 6th string over here, on the 4th string on the 6th fret. Sorry, 6th fret. And then you're going to use your ring finger on the 7th fret on the 3rd string. So it's going to sound like this. And for the picking part, just using these strings. So 1, 2. And then for the next chord, you're going to do another bar chord on the 7th fret. So you're going to cover all these strings, and you're going to cover with your ring finger this string right here. So you're going to keep that index finger on the next chord, and you're going to cover this string right here, 5th string, and you're going to cover the 3rd string on this fret. So, and this is the bass line for it. So far you have this. In the last chord, you're going to go back to the 5th fret, covering all strings. And then you're going to place your ring finger over here, your pinky underneath it, and you're going to get your middle finger and cover the string here. It's the 4th string. So you're going to get this chord. Same again, the bass. And then you're going to get something like this. And there you have it fams, Dom Tupou, original song requested by Tupou. Shout out to you, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other requests guys, let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your comments, I appreciate your feedback as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel for more songs. I have a lot of requests coming up, so in the next videos I'll be able to fulfill those requests. But for now, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.